guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Suzanne. Today's video is going to be on a Christmas look. I'm thinking of a green look on the eyes, nude lips, and I'm also going to be using all the new stuff that I got from Sephora. So it's sitting right here, so I'm gonna be using most of them. I will try my best. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe and let's begin. I'm going to prime my skin. I did not get any new primers last time, so I'm just going to use my Tatcha. This is the Silk Canvas primer. This is one of my favorite primers. It's so smoothing. It feels good on the skin. It's not heavy or greasy, and I feel like I'm applying skincare on my face, so it's really, really nice. I'm going to be testing out a new foundation. This is the Bobbi Brown Intensive Skin Serum Foundation, SPF 40. This is the packaging. It's really, really pretty. My shade is N042 Beige. So the foundation itself, it is so pretty. The packaging is very, very pretty. It's glass and it has a pump as well. For the foundation itself, it looks a little bit thick, so it's not runny at all. It feels like a whipped. It's really, really thin though, but it's not runny, which is interesting. So I'm just gonna apply this with a brush. This is the Tarte Cosmetics brush. I don't like to apply my foundation with a sponge. I don't know why. So my skin type is more normal, dry in the winter time, so it's still more on the normal side. I don't have any dry patches. I don't have any texture on my face. And this foundation has SPF 40, so don't forget that. So if you're wearing it somewhere on a special occasion, I would not recommend this because you don't want it to be flashing back in photography. I don't find it full coverage, to be honest. So this is only one layer though. It's very, very pretty on the face. It's very glowy as well. So I'm going to be taking another pump. The color is a good match for my skin right now, which is nice. I picked it online, which I'm always scared because you don't know what the colors look like. Yeah, this foundation is glowy for sure. If you're oily, I would not recommend this, but it's not greasy looking or feeling. It is just more a glowy foundation. But to be honest, I don't see the full coverage in this foundation. I don't know why they were claiming that, but like I can see all my moles. I can see blemishes on my face, but it's the way it's sitting and the way it makes my skin so glowy and healthy. I really like it. The color match is perfect. This is how the foundation looks like without any powder, any concealer. It evened out my skin tone. It gave me that glowy finish. This would be really a nice foundation for like an everyday. But as I said, it's buildable, but it's not full coverage. Okay, so I don't have any new concealer. I did not buy any, so I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Concealer. This is in the shade Light Medium, and I don't have that much left in this concealer. I used it all. It's really a very nice concealer. I'm gonna try not to apply any concealer on the rest of the face just to test out the foundation itself. So I'm just gonna blend it with a sponge. This is from Real Technique. So for today's powder, I'm going to be using this One Size Cosmetics, and this is by Patrick Star. This is the translucent setting powder, and it's very, very pretty. I love the packaging. I don't use a whole lot, so I don't really bake under the eyes. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit. Do the same here. Very lightweight. Just gonna set the chin area in my mouth. So I'm just gonna set the rest of the face with the same powder because I feel it's a little bit too dewy to put a bronzer on top. Far so good. So I'm going to be using a new bronzer today, and this is from Gucci. So this is number 02, which is, I believe, light. It doesn't say here, but I'm going to be using a fluffy brush. I'm going to use this Tarte Cosmetics. This is the Wand Ball Powder. This bronzer, it's really, really pigmented, you guys. And just so you need a fluffy brush with this, and tap your brush before you apply it on your face because it's gonna look muddy, which I did actually try that. So do that so you don't end up with a muddy face. Is it worth the price? I don't know. I'm going to use Makeup Forever. This is a highlight and bronzer duo, and I'm just gonna highlight the highest points of my cheeks here and my nose as well. It's really a pretty highlighter. It makes your skin so glossy, and it's not like shimmery. It's just so beautiful. I'm going to use a new blush from Nars, and this is the Oragasm X. This is, I think it comes only in a mini size, so I'm not sure if it comes in a bigger size. It's new. I'm going to use a tiny brush. It's really, really pigmented as well. So I'm just going to tap it here and then bring it forward. Ooh, so pretty. So if you have a very pigmented blush, apply it here first and then bring it forward. I'm gonna be using this palette here. This is from Mcgrath, and this is called the Mothership Mega Celestial Divinity, and this is so pretty, you guys. So I'm going to be starting with this shade right here as my transitioning shade. I'm just gonna apply it right in the crease. It's blending so easily. It's really, really a pretty shade as well. It's not too pink. It has that mauve color to it as well. I'm gonna apply this brown shade here with this blending brush. I'm just going to apply this just in the inner corners, just right here. I'm gonna take this green shade and back to that brown shade that we applied at the beginning, and I'm just going to smudge it underneath the eyes. So what I'm going to do, just because it's a Christmas look, I'm going to use some glitter, and I'm going to be using this from Makeup Forever, and this is in the shade S111. I don't know if that's the color, but I'm going to be using this. It has a green shift to it, so it's going to be really pretty for this look. It's really, really pretty glitter, so I'm just gonna tap it on. Now I'm going to apply some liner, and I'm using this Wet n Wild, the H2 proof liner, and I'm just going to do a very long wing liner. I'm gonna apply this Velour liner plus adhesive on the lash line, and I'm gonna glue these lashes on. I don't know how it's gonna work with all the glitter, but I will make sure that I have enough so they glue on. Okay, so far So good. Probably. So I'm just going to apply some setting spray. This is the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. It's really a pretty, beautiful setting spray. I highly recommend it. The last thing I'm going to do is apply a lipstick. I'm gonna be trying this Charlotte Tilbury lip cheat, and this is in the shade Pillow Talk 2 medium. I'm gonna use Pure Zen. This is from Nars Cosmetics. It's really a pretty nude color, and it's very hydrating as well. It's really pretty when you use a darker lip liner. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed everything that I used today on my face. It looks stunning. I really love this look for the holidays, and I am definitely gonna be doing one more look for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.